Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We're on the way to ECC Cars and Coffee in Northville, Michigan today. We are bringing the R8. We are meeting up with another R8, Mr. Choi, who you guys are familiar with on the channel. And we're going to see what's all at this event. This is a big one. I'm excited. Large Cars and Coffee. Usually this one fills up pretty dang early, just like the last one we went to. So we are right now, I think our ETA is 20 minutes before the show starts. So we are on it. We're wearing a polo. We're looking nice for this one. This is a proper Cars and Coffee, bringing the proper car. So I'm pretty pumped for it. I did not bring a coffee. I brought an energy drink instead. But yeah, let's meet up with Troy and let's see what is going on.
Oh shit!
We got the gang together. Alan is back in Michigan, so we're doing a quick lap. Gonna see what's around ECC today.
F-Pace SVR. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh no, I encountered one of these on the freeway the other day. Dude, they sound amazing. They sound great.
Doors can go up for 80 G's. Something about white cars, man. A couple of red convertibles. Nice. Ooh.
Yeah, oh, it is.
Spider RS. That's pretty.
Every car wrong in this video.
We'll just purposely name stuff wrong.
Ooh. I think that's a tiger.
That interior spec.
Clearly not.
All the little yellow bits, that works perfectly.
Oh, yeah.
And then this thing, holy cow.
It's yours?
Have a good day, it's like a Barney purple. Ooh, talk about. Wow.
That's actually coming out nicely.
Yeah. Here we are. Kids are screaming at each other over here. It's kind of entertaining. Guys, we're at a grocery store meet, I think is what it's deemed. Cars and cannolis. This is kind of an Instagram meet. It's drawn quite the crowd. Not sure what to expect, but it's getting a little greasy already. C63 though. Wow, I feel so bad for anyone actually trying to shop right now. Beautiful flowers. There's no parking, so that's we just missed everything and parked really far away. Oh, okay, truck is pretty sweet. Have fun. For the R8. So we parked in the parking lot way over there, but there seems to be like actual car show parking. So I bet these guys have been here for quite a long time. Looks pretty cool. A lot of Corvettes. Very cool. Wow. Ooh. Wow. That's done really well. I like that. Ooh, STO. Pretty good spot to car spot. We've got people going in a bunch of circles. I think I parked over there, I want to say. Maybe over here. I don't know. There's a line all the way out to the road, and then the road itself is backed up also. This is kind of funny. But again, pretty good vantage point from the car viewing perspective right in the corner here. Yeah, it's like an impromptu kind of mid-week meet, which is nice.
I'm over here.
Please help me, that's funny. Yeah, they're turning people away or telling them to park all the way in the back. Jessica doesn't see me. That sounds fast. Damn. I can hear how fast that car is.
Parking lot's not designed for this kind of movement, my friends. But it's pretty crazy. Very cool finds here. Huracan Strato on HREs, and then a twin turbo Gen 2.
So you got me with $5 grand?
Listen. AMG GTR taking off. Everybody's kind of moving out, it seems, but this lighting right now is hitting, brother. Let me tell you. Oh yeah. Some lady just walked through my shot. Oh, this thing looks so good. So clean. Inner fender walls are a little dirty. The fender liner there, but that's okay. We won't talk about it.
So many people were videotaping. So many people were videotaping.
Nice.
Fun little midweek event. Turnout was great. Had a lot of fun. So many cars there. It was kind of funny to see the people scrambling who are actually trying to shop. Felt a little bit bad, but oh well. Already looking at more events probably this weekend to go to. Cars and coffee and such. If you guys enjoy the R8 content, the kind of stuff we're posting, hit the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. Trying to hit 50K, it'd be fun. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. Until the next one, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see ya.